Tiffany, what are you mixing in that bowl?
Oh, this is gonna be waffle mix.
Oh, that's waffle mix.
I put flour.
All right.
And something else white. And I put raisins in it and everything.
Yes.
Should I put butter?
I've never seen a recipe like this, so I'm just,
No kidding.
How do I make this hot?
You put it with heat.
Okay.
Tiffany, what'd you just put in that pan?
Some tofu.
Oh, okay. In the kielbasa. Talk about heroes versus villains.
I cannot believe what's happening on Tiffany's station right now.
What is that?
There is some edible glitter that we will be tasting.
I love food shows. Playing in the background, it just makes my makeup go on smoother. Like, I fall in love with the hosts all the time.
Oh, boy.
Hey.
You're doing a little brunch for us, right?
Yes.
Okay, let me guess. That's cheesy scrambled eggs.
Something like that, yeah.
Classic black sesame seeds on top.
I'm gonna get creative and throw something else in there to blow your
we're
mind.
not done yet.
Yeah,
Okay.
there's gonna be scallions in there, gonna be bacon in there, be cheese in there, and marshmallows. So you get a little bit of a pillowy bite.
Okay, in this,
Look, chicken fat.
You have Tiffany that literally looks like she's throwing a breakfast party, right? With things that seemingly should not work. Tiffany, how's a waffle?
Oh shoot, what waffles? Oh, I forgot about it.
This is lasagna with Trader's turkey. It's with chocolate in the lasagna.
So a chocolate bar and turkey.
Right, mm-hmm.
Okay.
This is a recipe I came up for my children.
Oh.
They love chocolate, as do I.
Yeah.
And I thought turkey has a lot of protein, so it probably is good together.
there you go. That is the logic we look for here at Worst Cooks in America.
Correct. So what do we have in here right now?
I'm trying to make vodka cream sauce pasta with chicken, but it's really not tasting very good.
No. Well,
There's something wrong with that.
like salty, spicy.
I mean, it's terrible.
Oh.
Maybe it needs more vodka.
You know, you never go wrong with too much vodka. For Sebastian. I'm not seeing the vodka cream sauce except for the fact that I see vodka. There might be a shallot that's a little missized.
What is a shallot? Oh, I'm so confused. I want to learn to cook to show my wife that I really love her. Why should she always be cooking? Why don't I learn what cilantro is? Is that like a leaf? What? Was that a herb? Can you smoke it? I hope I don't get loaded. Whew.
My turkey!
Oh no!
Okay, just like a little bit of extra crispy.
Well, I wanted to make sure it was cooked, and black
Oh, it's
does
cooked.
mean cooked.
Yeah, black also means burnt, but you know, potato.
Yeah.
I made everybody a delicious, everything but the kitchen sink egg frittata. And with the waffle, this is the brown thing, that's gonna have marshmallow in it and some edible glitter.
Oh, that's what that sheen is.
This is cuckoo nuts.
There is some deliciousness within every bite, trust me.
The structure of the waffle is horrific.
Oh, she tried.
A little dessert.
Oh my God, I think I tasted the baking soda.
Your eggs, though, when did bacon, green onion, and black sesame come into play? I do think we gotta pull back on those, you know, aggressive flavors.
Yeah, and speaking of pulling, the severely undercooked bacon pull. And that's just fat from the bacon that just will not.
Oops. So this is my turkey chocolate lasagna
This is lasagna?
with villainous vixen veggies. And then I added extra chocolate sauce
Yes, you did.
on top of everything.
All right, so
Crazy. Looking at Rachel's dish, I am terrified. To put this in my mouth, I just can't believe it.
please take this from me.
It really was just a darn pile of garbage. I mean, I gotta talk to like the president of the network.
Pretty sure Jeff is secretly asking me to leave the show. I think he thinks there's no hope.
I don't know.
So I actually made this turkey chocolate lasagna for my children.
Quick question for you. Is everything okay at home?
Yeah, they did not eat it.
So I think, like her family, I also don't want to eat it.
Okay, I'll try it.
Medic, EMTs.
I didn't know it'd be this bad, so I apologize in advance for this.
I have eaten a lot of things while judging competitions, but Rachel's lasagna was inedible. And I've never said that before.
Rest in peace.
Trinity, did you taste it at all?
Oh, I tasted it with my nose.
Yeah. And what did your nose tell you?
That I would love another nose job.
Sebastian, take your asparagus out to drain. No, Sebastian.
Like the paper towel is gonna sop up 6 quarts of water.
Sebastian! What? You gotta take the...
Oh, sorry.
Take...
What world does he live in? I can't anymore. We have a lot of work to do with this young man.
Okay. Try this
There
again.
you go, now we're draining.
Oh.
Am I doing this right? Yes, I think. Who knows?
Hey, Cheryl, how much vinegar did you put into that farro?
1
bottle?
cup.
Okay, good.
But I think I put too much water.
Just ladle some of it out, okay?
Whatever a ladle is, I'm assuming it's this.
I haven't used any of these tools or techniques. I don't have technique. My technique's with the microwave.
Hey, chef, am I supposed to do this?
Yeah, of course. Now tap it.
Tap
No,
it?
the other way. No, not the garlic. Tap the rasper into there with that. Yeah, you're good with garlic.
Sometimes I wonder how I'm still alive.
Cheryl, come on down.
So I did a lot of different colored peppers. Obviously, the rest is history.
Your sauce is great. Your rice is very undercooked.
Oh, no.
More undercooked than your microwave rice.
Oh, that's hair. That's hair.
Does it taste good, though? Has to count for something, right?
And they have split ends. Trinity,
I have put snow peas cut diagonally so they're pretty.
what's another word for that?
Biased.
That pork. It's not very cooked.
Okay.
And I'm not being biased. It is red. Just
Well, I
to
would say
point out.
pink.
So
Slightly
like this
pink.
small guy that I tried, perfect. And you get a big honking piece like this, and you try to take them out at the same time. You know, you gotta leave this one in much longer.
Well, you're a large, strapping man with large muscles. I just was thinking that you would like a larger piece to go in your mouth.
I mean, it's a garlic bonanza.
I don't remember there being that much garlic in there. I'm just trying to keep the vampires away.
Oh my God, you have so much liquid.
We were supposed to use a certain amount of liquid. Did you not look at the ingredient?
How are we doing with our liquid there?
I don't have any.
Instead of adding more beer, it's some stock.
Okay.
If there's no broth, he's just gonna get some dusty clams and a piece of bread.
We're not making clams.
Part of the dish is having sauce. So, not good, right?
Why am I a mess? I don't know. I blame my mother. She didn't teach me how to cook.
Wes, come on up.
This is the luck of the Irish mussels, straight from Dublin, and I kind of thought that the idea was...
As soon as Antonia tastes one of my mussels, she starts to spit it out. I don't know if anyone's ever told her, but that's rude.
That's a bad sign. Yeah, sorry.
The name of the dish is pulling mussels from a shell with spicy tomato broth. And I took a chance and I added a tiny bit of mint.
I don't think this is mint. The first bite I took made me want to go back in. But then I'm tasting lime leaf, like the leaf of a lime, like a tree.
Okay. I only put 1 leaf of that
All right,
in.
yeah, man, but it is bringing...
But I was trying to bring the spice down.
with the leaf.
Yeah.
I love the logic behind it, man.
My cake looks like...
Oh.
Make sure you got even contact.
Come on, Sebastian. You're gonna win this, Sebastian.
It's free form. It's like jazz.
I think it needs some more icing.
Wait, oh God.
We're actively all watching Sebastian commit a hate crime against this cake.
There's not enough stuff on here.
A live cake crime.
Just dollops.
Okay, now I gotta spell, right?
Yeah, you gotta spell.
There's no hope.
Use the smaller piping. Yeah, here you go, get that off. Yeah, push it to the side.
Right now, I'm just crushing up my seasoning for my sweet Italian sausage. My plan is to make really great sausage. I'm adding some fennel, I'm adding some coriander. I want my sausage to have some lime, some traditional flavors going on. Some basil. It's gonna make sure the chef's taste, and I need to add some sugar just to sweeten it and have an impression left on them. I just hope it tastes good.
I really want to make sure that they have a palate that I can trust because they need to understand the balance. Unfortunately, Tiffany's relationship with spices and seasoning, it's like, what else can I throw on here?
I feel like I don't know what I'm doing.
Bartiz, what you doing?
Do like a ground hot Italian sausage with peppers and onion.
Okay.
And then like a bourbon, blackberry, a little bit of peanut butter, kind of drizzle on top of the pancake. I don't know if it's considered a food or whatever it is. I love peanut butter. Smooth. Growing up, I used to put peanut butter on everything, like even lasagna. Oh, I need sugar. Just because you know how you eat like garlic bread and you eat lasagna? So I was doing toasted peanut butter and lasagna, and then it just became put the peanut butter on top. That looks pretty good. I promise you it's good. You know, give it a try.
I'll take your word for it.
Oh, this is not good.
I had too much butter in there anyway.
Wes, what happened?
They weren't good enough for you.
Wes, you have 5 minutes, you're picked. I didn't realize that breakfast was gonna be this hard.
Bye. Take 2.
You're the only one with meringue.
Chocolate chip pancakes.
Oh no. I really thought these guys could do this.
Those are nice, those are a little overcooked. Oh no, Rachel. I mean, hello, it's eggs, it's pancakes. Making me scream.
I'm sorry.
Pancakes.
Oh no, it's really gooey on the inside.
Pancakes.
Oh my God.
Pancakes.
Put it on top of it like a sandwich.
30 seconds, guys.
I go to grab my perfect reduction, and it has turned into some sort of candied brittle.
Oh.
If Chef Antonia doesn't eat this in the next 3 seconds, it's gonna be hard as a rock. Put your own spin on it.
Breakfast is so scary.
I never thought breakfast was gonna be this hard.
No! Don't put the syrup on or nothing,
Why'd
right?
you grab a little ramekin over there and pour the syrup in there?
The f is a ramekin?
Just grab those little bowls.
Wait, give me some of that.
Little bowls.
I didn't find any small bowls. Only big bowls.
Give me your sauce. I want your sauce.
5, 4,
Throw it on the plate. Throw it on the plate.
2, 1. Done.
That was a disaster.
What happened?
Disaster! This is not a disaster. Oh, shut up, Sebastian.
We're going out drinking right after this.
I know.
That's not good.
This was like intense.
Broke the thing and I burnt 3 pancakes. Do not tell her.
All right, you ready to try some breakfast?
I don't want to eat any of this.
I made pork patties, and then the pancakes are vanilla, chocolate chip, and orange.
Chocolate and orange.
Yes.
Oh, do you like that combo normally?
Somebody once gave me a box of chocolates with like one of those in there. I didn't like that chocolate.
I really like this pancake. The patties, I'm not digging. It's like literally 3 boulders of meat.
I mean, I've never said no to 3 boulders of meat, so.
Okay, everything about my dish is literally perfect.
Sunny side up eggs.
Look at that.
With the exception of one massive fault. I have over-reduced my syrup.
It reduced too much. Yeah.
What flavors did you go with?
It's white wine, sugar, vanilla.
So you made burnt white wine brittle.
Yeah.
I don't think I've ever even attempted that.
I'm worried that I'm going to enter into a lawsuit with Chef Antonia,
But it's now stuck to the back of my teeth.
who is going to sue me for some dental work.
It's a villainous plate because it's evil.
Is this eggs that you make at home?
Yes, I do. I do. I am not proud of this dish.
This is 98% black beans with like some egg white sprinkled throughout it. That being said, the flavor is really nice. This one's burnt. This one's raw.
That one's raw, but
You had a blackout moment yet again. I don't know, Rachel. I don't know, Rachel.
Oh my God.
What?
Holy
What's wrong?
garlic, granulated garlic. That was a 1/4 cup. I'm not gonna talk to you later. Sebastiano.
Is the Ramacon.
Ramica, is that what that is? You mean a dry measuring cup? 1 cup dry measuring cup? Holy smokes, this is like soup.
I don't really enjoy potato
Okay.
salad, but I put a little fine ingredient called ketchup.
Okay, that's what I'm tasting.
I put a little honey in there.
I taste that too. Holy smokes. Oh God.
Yeah. So what we got is a bacon, egg, and cheese. You also have a peanut butter and banana. And then if you combine them, you have a banana and mayonnaise sandwich.
Something's gonna happen. If I close these two together,
A hole's gonna open up in the ground. There's gonna be this like vortex of paranormal energy. I'm not causing the apocalypse.
No.